Hi guys! Today I want to talk about in this video 10 essential things that I developed in starting my business and how did I push through and how I developed them through time. I think these 10 essential things are very important in starting your own business. And if you guys like this kind of video, please hit the thumbs up or subscribe to my channel or get notified in my next video. So I think these 10 essential things are very important. They're like work hand in hand and it will develop your social skill too and develop your confidence through time. Let's go straight to the video. So the first essential thing that I think is very important is grit. So grit is the burning desire to succeed. So even though you experience like failures and stuff, if you have grit, I think you can push through everything, like every failure or problem. You can overcome all of them and you can solve all of them in the future. So for example, me, when I was in college, I'm on a fine arts degree, but for some reason I'm not good in traditional art. So instead of me focusing on traditional art, I went on my different route and I go to like digital art instead. And that way I overcome my problem and then I succeeded by graduating. This is not the first time that I use this method. Even in work, I make sure that I will do my homework at home and study the program and then succeed eventually. Second essential thing I think that everyone should have is passion. The problem with passion, you cannot look for passion. Passion finds you. Based on Jeff Bezos. Like for example, me, I cannot learn drawing, but I have strong passion about it. So even though I'm not good with it, I have a burning desire of success using my passion. So even if I'm tired, if I don't make sales on some of my events, it doesn't matter. I remember back then I was motivated with money, but I always revert back on the passion. That's why it motivates me to do my next event or to draw. Even though it's very tiring, whenever I get tired, I always revert back to passion. The third thing that I think is important is innovative. You need to be innovative every time. So imagine this, you tried so well, every time it doesn't go good as you want to. So in order to overcome that, you need to be innovative. The path that you wanted, there's always gonna be a roadblock and you need to overcome that. So for example, me, my limitation is that I have a specific drawing or style. So I put my attention on innovating my products instead. The fourth essential thing that I think you should guys learn is perseverance. Because in life, there's gonna be a lot of mistakes, a lot of shortcomings, a lot of problems, you name it. But the only thing that will help you survive all this thing is perseverance. You need to persevere on all these problems to reach your success. If I don't have this quality, I'm not sure where will I be. I always persevere on whatever challenges that I will have. Self-doubt, you need to eliminate that because it will be a huge problem. Eventually, if you keep on doubting yourself, do your best before you give up because that will help you reach your goals. The next is very, very, very important. Not just in business, but in life. It's being hardworking. I will always be grateful that I have this trait, even though I'm not that talented. I believe that hard work always beats talent. I know a lot of people that's very talented, but they're not hardworking. In order to survive, in business, you need to put in the work. So you can do it step by step. It doesn't have to be every time. Like me, I try my best to accomplish everything in a day. But I know it's not possible, but I do it step by step. When you start your business, you're the only one who's gonna work on it. You're gonna be the one who's gonna set up the booth, you're the one who's gonna be managing the website, your social media, and talking to suppliers and doing your research and development. All of this, all by yourself, especially when you're starting your own business. So be prepared. It will be a long ride, but I'll make sure that it will be worth it. What they say, if you want to travel fast, travel alone. And if you want to travel far, travel together. Another trait that I think you guys should have is being sociable. Being sociable and like building self-confidence converts to sales and money. That's just the reality. You should know business and you should know how to market yourself, because that converts to money. The more you know how to talk to people and to a lot of people, just like this YouTube channel that I just started, it's more like for me to build my self-confidence and to share it to the community. But it's more like a practice for me to be social. Like for example, they're a skateboard company in Huntington Beach. One of their guys approached me while I'm selling my stuff, but also I know how to sell them, and it converts to sale. Even though I already have the design, they just want the design on their boards. So in order for you to make those kind of sale, you need to earn those confidence and how to like market yourself. Being sociable and building a self-confidence will help you to reach your goals faster. Another trait that I think you guys should learn is patience. I mean, patience will play a big role not just in business but in life. Have you heard delay gratification? Rewarding yourself at the end. Have you experienced friends will contact you or you'll see your friends traveling and stuff? I learned how to say no because I think it's a matured way of like handling like or prioritizing what is important. I'm delaying all these parties and like travel because I know there's a huge role and there's a bigger goal that I need to achieve. But I already know my goal and I already know what I want. So I'm delaying all those stuff. You can still have fun, you can still enjoy your life, but at the same time, you need to prioritize what is important. The important thing is your goal. Goal is equal to success. So remember that. Be patient because someday you'll achieve whatever you're doing as long as you know how to prioritize what is important and what is in front of you and what is the bigger goal. Another trait that I think you guys should have is being a risk taker. Have you experienced like living in a comfort zone that you're just going to a job and doing your job? I hope you guys love your job, because being in a comfort zone and not risking things or like putting the time and risking stuff will detriment opportunity that surrounds you. The more risk that you take, the higher success it will give you. Also, doesn't convert that if you're taking risks, it will give you success. You need to manage your risk. You need to know how to say no on this kind of risk that you're gonna take. If you're not careful enough, you keep on risking and risking and risking, and you're not focused on what is the goal. If you keep on risking and investing on different stuff, it will not grow into something. So you guys need to be risk taker, but at the same time, you guys need to know how much risk are you doing and how much success or reward it will give you. The huge question is, are you playing the game to win or are you playing the game not to lose? A lot of us are just playing it safe. So if I were you, if you want to succeed, you need to go all out, but at the same time, know the risk and the success and the reward that it beholds. An experience that I had, I remember back then I risked something when I starting my business. I risked buying some shirt, not knowing anything about like apparel and stuff. I just bought like same shirt, 100 pieces, and it go to hell. I cannot sell all those shirts. That's a huge problem because all my assets there. So I need to rebuild those assets, my money. Instead of me moving forward, I need to recoup whatever I lost on that shirt. Eventually, I figure out and I put another risk on buying some shirt because I figure my customers have a lot of options. It will help me like sell all of those shirts. Now I'm doing so well with apparel. It helps my business grow. Even though the profit margin is not that good for me, but a lot of people like it more than prints that I'm selling. So you should bear that in mind, that sometimes taking risks has a good reward at the end. Number 9 on this is entrepreneurship. Guys, you guys need to learn how to manage your business or read books, because downloading all those failures or experience of other successful business is a good way to like cut all those problems. You guys need to know balance sheet and identify assets from liability. Also, income and expense. your income on your business should go to assets, then go straight to liability. Don't spend anything that's not important. And you guys need to identify 4 keys: price, product, place, and promotion. Those are important keys to identify your target market. Also, know your SWOT: strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats. Those are important keys to know. Like for example, me, I tried all of events almost on my first year in LA. It is so hard. It is so tiring. But that way I was able to identify my opportunities, my strength, my weakness, and my threats. So now I'm just booking all the shows that I know I will do good, and putting some little shows that has like higher chance of me succeeding. Identify your weaknesses and strength. Last on our list is being grateful. Guys, you need to give back to the community. The community helps you to build your business. So in order to give back in the community, you need to help them too. Just like this YouTube video. The only reason why I'm doing this, I'm not getting anything from it yet, but the only reason why I'm doing this is to help other designers like you to start your own business. Because let's be honest, entrepreneurship was never taught to us age 2. Just like giving out in charity, it will come back to you too. So, but always remember, prioritize yourself first before giving back to the community. Accumulate a lot of wealth and assets. Eventually, it will be easier for you to give back to the community. Not right now that you're still trying to figure out things. Prioritize yourself first. Think of yourself first before giving back to the community. The only thing that I have invested here is like the lights, camera, and my time. I haven't invested a lot of money yet in this YouTube channel, but I want to give back to the community just to be thankful for all the things that I've gotten from my business. I think that wraps up all our 10 essential things that will start your business, and I hope that a lot of you guys will watch this and help you to start your own business. If you guys like this video, hit thumbs up, or if you guys wanna watch my other videos, subscribe and get notified. I think these videos will help other designers, and not just designers, like passionate people that want to start their own business too. Again, this is Mark De Mesa. I'm the owner of Clenn Designs, and if you guys want to check out my work, it's available online. Follow me in Instagram and Facebook. I think that wraps up everything. Anyway, have a good day guys, and good luck. Always be prepared.